What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new episode of eBay Builds with my sister's EcoBoost. Now, I'm just kidding, guys. We got Mia joining us in today. How's it going, Mia? Most of the mods that we have for the EcoBoost, like 95% of the mods, are from eBay, and we do have some side skirts that are getting put on today. These are like the RTR style side skirts. I did get these off of eBay for around 130 bucks. And what I like about these guys is that these aren't like your usual polyurethane plastic. Oh, there goes the other one. Shoot. You can tell right there, they're not like the usual plastic looking. These have like the textured style, the OEM style. So let me compare it real quick to the stock chin spoiler, and y'all can tell right there, they're pretty much the same. They're not that grayish looking plastic that needs to be primed in paint. So this looks really close to OEM, and for a fraction of the price, guys. These are the RTR lookalikes. Pretty much the same thing. Only difference is they're not licensed or officiated by RTR. So like 50% off right there, 130 bucks. I will leave again the link in the descriptions for everything we get, guys. None of this is sponsored, but we are going to put that on, and we do have a bit more of carbon fiber goodies for her EcoBoost for the interior. But first, man, we need to get started by removing this tacky license plate frame because it's not helping out at all. Garbage. There you go. Simple. Look at that. It doesn't even look stock anymore just because of that frame. We got the jack in place. Really simple. Start jacking it up. Make sure you give yourself enough room to drill, because we are going to need a drill to put all the bolts in. And that's pretty much it. There's no 3M, I believe, so it's all drilled on. So the car is lifted. This is a two-person job, so my wife is at work, so I do not have my assistant. My brothers are gone, so no assistance for today. But I did manage to do this, and it'll hold this side while I drill that side, and then I'll just remove this and drill that side. At the bottom of the side skirts, guys, just in case you don't know which way they go, they do have which way they go. It'll say, for example, right here, you have side skirt R. So side skirt R is the passenger side. Side skirt L is the driver's side. You do have all these holes, which is the guide for you to drill. So just line it up, and you do have this guideline as well. So this will meet the end of the side skirt. As y'all can see right here, this is the edge. So just line it up best as you can right there, and just get under and drill the holes. And it is a really easy job, and it makes a huge difference. So here goes nothing, guys. This is the bolts they do supply. Just a regular Phillips bolt that goes screwed into that hole. Just like that, guys. We got one in. Now I just gotta line the rest of them. You do have all these bolts included, so just take it one bolt at a time. Since we don't want to lower the car, well, I do, my sister doesn't. This will help just give it a little bit more of a ground effect, like a lower look to it, just because of that side skirt right there, guys. And look at that, guys. I'm not lying when I say this looks like OEM. Okay, it's a little bit dirty, but look at that. You can tell it's textured, it's that black colored. So if you guys are in the market for a side skirt, totally recommend these. Look, no 3M, but these are so firmly installed just with all those bolts. It's like 10 bolts on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock the other one out, and then I'll pull the car out just so y'all can see how good it looks. All right, guys, so we have one more mod to finish off for today, and it's gonna be for the interior. It's another carbon fiber piece. She does have the carbon fiber center console, so now we need the radio trim, and this is it. I made a video about this before. If y'all need help installing this, guys, go check out one of my other videos. I'll leave a card somewhere up here. Really easy. Clean your area, use alcohol, because that helps with the prep and adhesive. And all you do is just remove the back tape and just make sure everything is lined properly. Start patting it down, and it's good to go. So start removing all the 3M that's behind it, and start the install. This overlaps just a very little bit, guys, like probably like half a centimeter, but because I believe this is for the touchscreen, when you have the premium 7-inch touchscreen, I guess that's why it overlaps just a bit. I mean, honestly, if you have a base car, you're not going to be using pretty much any of these buttons. Everybody uses Bluetooth, and they use radio, but that's pretty much it. Really simple. Now she has the matching center console and radio console right there, and it looks so much better. I'm trying to convince her to get everything else, but she says she's just content with what she has. So now, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to give you some slow-mo cinematics of the car. I'm gonna try my best. I have no idea how to do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the car on the outside with the side skirts, and then I'm gonna try to get some drive-by shots of the car as well. Car's looking way better already. We got that spoiler on, tinted tail lights, tinted everything. Everything's murdered out now. We're working on that drop. These are the side skirts, guys. They're gonna stay on, man. Don't even worry about it. There's, I believe, 16 bolts holding each side, so 32 in total. Looks OEM. Totally recommend these. Look at that. How does that look, guys? How does that look? Thumbnail right here, looks like a little thumbnail. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. My sister's car is coming along pretty well. Let me know what you guys think, man. There's a few more mods still coming in. It's gonna make a heck of a difference. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, guys. If y'all did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.